Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be replacing the light bulb on a Best Model P195P kitchen range hood vent. As you can see here, the right light is out. The bulbs for this are going to be like a T3 12 volt, it's a 20 watt max, or a G4 base halogen bulb. Now to make this easier, you could take this sleeve off and then just do the bulb replacement right here. But to make it easier, we're going to pop down the lid, exposing the fan, and you're going to see here the back side of the light, and you'll have a clip up here to disconnect so we can remove the whole fixture. So I'm just going to take out the filter pad there, and that gives me access to both sides of the clip. And I'm just going to wiggle that out so I can free the clip. And then you've got two tabs here that you can squeeze and then push the light fixture out. Okay, so now with the fixture itself out, you can take a small flat blade screwdriver. And as you can see from the manual here, they want you to pry out the tabs for the glass cover plate. So there's 3 of them. And so we'll just work the screwdriver in and pop these 3 tabs out, just like that. You can remove the cover plate. Now just be careful, there is a glass piece underneath here that will also come out. Just tap that over like that. You can see here there's a little chip on ours already, so you need to be real careful taking this out. Now you have the bulb that we can remove from the socket. I'm not going to worry about any finger oils here. Just pull it right out. And that's the standard G4. Of course, now's a good time. Just take some glass cleaner and clean off the glass surface, remove the grease from both sides. I'll put a link to this part number in the description. Just to show you, this is the spec sheet for these bulbs. We're looking at the G4 300 lumens, and it's a warm white color. It's just what we like. So try not to touch the bulbs with your fingers. You don't want to get any oils or grease on the bulb itself. Either handle it with a pair of gloves or a paper towel like I'm doing, and you're just going to insert those pins right back into the base, just like that. You can clean your glass if necessary, pop that back on, and then before you put on the cover plate again, because we had to bend some of those tabs, we're going to take a pair of needle nose pliers and flex these out a little bit so that it sits back in this opening and does not rattle or vibrate. So I'm just going to take these and pry them out a little bit. Don't flex them too much. You really don't want these to snap off. Once you have them pried out, you can insert them. Just put them in one kind of corner at a time, and just have to work that glass out of the way a little bit. And then you may need the screwdriver just to flex these a little bit to help you get them back into the slot where they go. Should just clip right back in like that. Okay, now we'll just install it right back the way that it was before. Feed the connector through the back side. You can push the light in till it clips. Bring down the connector and make sure it fits like that. Okay, so we have the halogen bulb in this other assembly. Push that plate through. Connect this back up. Okay, so with both bulbs back in, we'll reinsert the fan filter, test the bulb. There you go, you got uniform brightness on both sides and no flickering. There's the low setting, and there's the off. You can check the fan too, make sure that there's no vibration. And that also helps you know that you got these on nice and tight. So there you go, that's how you replace the light bulbs. Thanks very much for watching. When you replace both halogen bulbs with LED bulbs, you'll notice that when you turn on, or try to turn on, you just get a flicker and then super duper low brightness. But if you set to the low setting, you will get the light to come on, but you'll see that it flickers. And after some research, I've found that that's due to the low volt transformer in the hood itself that is not compatible with the voltage requirements for these bulbs. So you're going to get a flicker or this strange behavior where the turning on and off just flickers, and you deal with this. Some of the suggestions say if you want to use an LED bulb, keep one of the bulbs as a halogen, which to me defeats the purpose. Now I'll show you what it means when they said just keep one halogen on here. So we've replaced the halogen on this side, but we still have the LED on this side. So now the light works fine. But you can see the brightness difference already. This one here, you've got much brighter, but not much flickering on the LED side. So to me, there's no point to use the LEDs on these older hoods. So we're going to replace this one with the halogen as well.